Hey everybody, it's Stacy from Under the Kentucky Sun. I hope you are having a great day. I wanted to get on here this week and we are going to talk some about watermelons. So you may be thinking, what the heck are we doing? Why are we doing that? Well, I got to thinking about the 4th of July and just kind of everybody being on vacation. It seems like a lot of people are on vacation this last week. You get back from the 4th and you've had lots of cookouts and time with family, and now it's just kind of like blah, like what do we do now? So I think July can be a really hot time where, you know, the kids don't necessarily want to get outside unless they're in the water, and it's hard to think of fun things to do. And so I thought this would be a fun week to just share some different things you can do with watermelons and watermelon beans. As you know, here at Under the Kentucky Sun, we love to celebrate life. That's our whole thing. And you can hear it is thundering and storming really bad. So hopefully I don't lose you guys. But so we love to celebrate life, and not just the big events like the baby showers and birthday parties, but also just the everyday things, just the simple things that can make everything a little bit more fun than it normally would be. So what I wanted to do was show you guys how to make a watermelon cake today. And along with that, I just wanted to kind of offer some tips on how to stay healthy right now. It's how to, you know, just keep up your energy and stay hydrated and that kind of thing. So I'll offer some tips while we're making our little watermelon cake. But first of all, I have to tell you, I cheated and I went ahead and I cut my watermelon slices because these are really hard to cut. and I had originally, I was going to make a really big one. I don't know if you have seen on Pinterest, but watermelon cakes are a really cool thing right now. And some of them are really elaborate. You can make, you know, multiple layers, and they look amazing. And originally that's what I was going to do. I was like, oh, let's just make a really big one. But then I just kind of came up with this idea that for kids it would be really fun to make a little miniature one. So I had these really great cutters that honestly I think my mom gave them to me a few years ago, and I'm not really sure where she got them. They're really nice ones, but they come in a set of 4. I'm thinking maybe they're Williams-Sonoma. So if you can see what those look like, they're probably an inch thick, and you would want them to be pretty thick. You could also just cut around small bowls if you don't have anything quite this small, or just freehand it. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. So anyway, what I did is I went ahead and cut some slices of my watermelon, and now I'm just going to cut out the 4 layers of the cake with these really fun cookie cutters. And yeah, you could even do these with shapes. That would be really fun too. So what I'm going to do is just pick a spot on here, and I'm going to tip this down just a little so you guys can see better what I'm doing. I think that is a little bit better, and hopefully my camera does not flip. Okay. Now I'm going to move this over just a little. So the nice thing about these cutters is they just will go right through really easily. I mean, you just push it right through. And I even didn't get this, you can see I didn't get it cut perfectly, and it's okay. I think it actually gives it a little bit of character and makes it kind of fun. You can just push it on through there and then pop it back up, and see it just comes right out. And we're just going to start our layers on a plate like this. Now I'm going to do the next one. Watermelon, and just trying to eat healthy and stay healthy right now is I really wanted to walk you out into our garden and just show you some of the vegetables and fruits that we're not fruit, we're not growing any fruit, but I wish we were somewhere warmer, but just show you some of the things that we're growing. And I would love for you to post in the comments if there's anything fun that you're growing right now, or even share a picture of something you're growing. I would love to see it. But boy, this is the time of year to take advantage of all the things that are ripe, and just it's a great time of year to just, it's really simple to eat really healthy. Okay, so you can see so far I've got my 2 layers. It's a little bit wonky because I didn't get my layers cut straight. I could flip it, but I'm going to leave it like that, I think. I think it actually looks kind of cute. It makes me kind of think of Dr. Seuss. So I've got 2 layers, and then I'm going to come over here. I've got a layer that I cut that I think is a little bit thinner that might be better for our next two. So this is the third layer. Just gonna punch it through there. And this would be such a fun thing to do with kids. It's so simple. You know, if you cut the slices, they can go to town and they can make whatever they want with this. And so there's our third layer. You can see like that. And then I'm gonna do one more with the little bitty one, which is fun. And just pop it in there. And what I think would be good too, so this would be really fun, right, for like a play group or a birthday party. I'm going to show you some things later in the week for, this is really, watermelon theme is really fun for a first birthday because it's that, I don't know if y'all seen that little saying, it says one in a melon, so it's really cute. So this would be really fun for a cake for first birthday, especially if you don't want them eating actual cake, which, you know, everybody has different opinions on that, but this would be a really great option. And for an adult idea, I think this would be really neat to, if you were having just some friends over for a brunch, put some feta cheese on here and some mint, and it would just be really neat to sit one on everybody's place setting. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this. Oh, I'm losing my watermelon. That's what you love about Alive. Everything's going to move. And I would say, if I do this again, I will definitely work a little harder on getting my, getting them cut a little bit straighter, because you can tell over time that is going to slide off. So just, you know, you might even want to put some toothpicks in there around your watermelon so that you can get a really straight cut on it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, and first I've got some cotton candy grapes. I don't know if you guys have had these, but these are amazing. I got these at Costco. They actually really taste like cotton candy, and kids love them. So, and actually so do grown-up kids. My son loves them, so that's why we got these. But so you can go around the side of the cake and decorate it with grapes. And I'm going to do the bottom layer with grapes. You could pick any kind of little fruit that you like. You could even cut some little cuties in little half slices and put them around the edges. I think that would be really cute. I'm going to do the grapes around this layer, and then on the next one I'm going to put some blueberries, and hopefully, I'm a little worried it's not going to work because I've got my crooked cake. Y'all are probably laughing at me that I don't have a straight cake. Anyway, so just like this, and you can see, you might want to turn the blueberries upside down where they don't roll. But isn't this cute? And this is such a fun thing for kids to do and for grown-ups too. I mean, this is just fun. And it's a great for breakfast. I mean, this could be like a whole breakfast, especially if you've got someone that loves watermelon. And the other great thing about watermelon is you're really getting hydrated with it. That is one of the things that I was going to mention, is just everybody staying hydrated while it's so hot outside. I know it's in the 90s here. I'm sure most places in the country it's pretty hot. And tomorrow I'm going to probably post a reel with a reel on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put a reel on there with a watermelon smoothie, which I think will be fun to make. So, you know, stay tuned for that. I'll try to see if I can get it over on my Facebook too. So, yeah, you can tell I'm a little, I guess I don't quite have it centered. But you can just go around. And, you know, if you really wanted them to, if you were worried about them staying, you could always throw a little toothpick in there. But I think that's pretty cute. And then I thought it would be cute to just put, it's kind of hard to get something on that third layer because there isn't a whole lot of space there. But I thought it would be cute to just put a banana slice on the very top. So let me get that going. And in the comments, just let me know what you think about this. I don't know, a lot of you probably don't know, but I am visually impaired, so it's really hard for me to read comments, but I will definitely go back later and I will read them and I will reply to everybody. And I apologize for that, but it's super hard for me to read comments. But I think it would be really cute to just just be kind of whimsical about it, really. But how fun is that? Okay, I'm going to attempt to lift this up, and hopefully nothing falls, so you guys can tell me what you think. I think it's really fun. So this is really fun, simple idea for the day. Let me know what you think, and I'm going to enjoy eating this. Y'all have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you later.